Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of chaotic mornings and unhealthy breakfast choices? What if I told you there's a delicious grab-and-go solution that's packed with health benefits? We're diving into the amazing world of overnight oats. I'm going to share 5 incredible recipes that will make you excited to wake up, and I'll explain why this simple habit can totally transform your health. So why are overnight oats such a game changer? First, they are a powerhouse of nutrition. Oats are loaded with a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This amazing fiber helps lower cholesterol, keeps your blood sugar stable, feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which is fantastic for your digestive health. Plus, by soaking them overnight, you're actually making them easier to digest and helping your body absorb more of those wonderful nutrients. It's like a pre-digestion magic trick. Let's be honest, who doesn't want to save time in the morning? Just mix everything the night before, and voila, the perfect breakfast is waiting for you. No cooking, no mess, just pure convenience. All right, let's get to the good stuff. Recipe number 1 is a classic apple cinnamon delight. Think of it as a healthy apple pie in a jar. Just mix half a cup of rolled oats with half a cup of your favorite milk. I'm using almond milk. Then add a tablespoon of chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3s, half a chopped apple, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a little drizzle of maple syrup for sweetness. Stir it all up, pop it in the fridge, and in the morning, you'll have a cozy, comforting breakfast that tastes like a hug. Next up, for all you chocolate lovers, you have the chocolate peanut butter dream. This one feels so indulgent, but it's packed with protein and healthy fats. In your jar, combine half a cup of oats, half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. If you want it a bit sweeter, a touch of maple syrup or a few mashed banana slices work perfectly. When you wake up, you'll have a rich, creamy, and satisfying breakfast that will keep you full and focused all morning. It's like dessert for breakfast, but completely guilt-free. Recipe number 3 is my personal favorite for a burst of freshness, Berry Bliss. This one is loaded with antioxidants. You'll need half a cup of oats, half a cup of Greek yogurt for a protein boost, and a splash of milk to get the right consistency. Then, toss in a generous handful of mixed berries. Fresh or frozen both work great. A tablespoon of chia seeds and a little bit of vanilla extract will take this to the next level. The colors are beautiful, and the taste is even better. It's a vibrant, delicious way to start your day and support your immune system. Moving on to a tropical escape with recipe number 4, Mango Coconut Paradise. If you're dreaming of a vacation, this is the breakfast for you. Combine half a cup of oats with half a cup of coconut milk. Then, add half a cup of diced mango, a tablespoon of shredded coconut, and of course, a tablespoon of chia seeds. The creamy coconut milk and sweet mango create a flavor combination that's simply divine. It's a mini tropical getaway in a jar that will bring a little sunshine to your morning, no matter the weather. Last but certainly not least, recipe number 5 is the energizing matcha latte oats. For those who need a gentle caffeine kick without the coffee jitters, this is perfect.
Yes.
Mix half a cup of oats with half a cup of milk. Then whisk in 1 teaspoon of matcha powder until it's fully dissolved. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds and a touch of honey or maple syrup to balance the earthy flavor of the matcha. This recipe is packed with antioxidants from the matcha and will give you a calm, sustained energy boost to power through your day. It's a sophisticated and healthy way to get your morning started. So there you have it, 5 simple, delicious, and incredibly healthy overnight oats recipes. They save you time, improve your digestion, and pack a serious nutritional punch. I really encourage you to give them a try. Pick your favorite flavor, or get creative and invent your own. It's the easiest step you can take towards a healthier morning routine. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. I'd love to hear which recipe you're going to try first, so drop a comment below. Till next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye.
Thank you, everyone! Thank you, Elmar! Boom!